16. Vamos fazer dia de 16. Vamos fazer, vamos fazer, vamos fazer. Vamos fazer, vamos fazer, vamos fazer, vamos fazer.
We'll be back next year. It's my birthday, TCAP 23 day 3. Happy birthday to me. And we're about to go outside and do like the big reveal, I guess. Lillian, where do you have label? Yeah, if you can look up. That's my baby girl.
Out loud, I must have $250,000 on me right now. Hard to make a song about something other than the money. Who thinks I'm about it? Talking blunt and staying blunt. Pretty women, are you here? Are you here right now, huh? We should all disappear right now. Look, you're getting all your friends and you're getting in the car and you're coming to the house. Are we clear right now, huh? You see the fleet, all the new things. Cop cars with the loose change. All white like a mood things. Niggas see me rolling and they mood change. Like a motherfucker.
Music on PrankoLoaded.com. Initiating rage process.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my, I am impressed you. You're heaven sent. My loving is real, I no pretend. 100%. Backing it up, back in the days with those guys where I no fit connect. You better correct yourself before you collect. Oh my.
So now we're going to the rough shots for everybody.
Animals stay in human form. Body man, nobody like dog. But you must hustle if you want to. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I do like us. No con they form say you do like
2, 3, cheers guys! Let's get it! It ain't hot for chest. It ain't hot. It ain't burn chest.
When was Daniel born? Let's pass the mic around. Everybody say your answer.
But they'll copy the first time. If you know, just say February 10th.
Really? What's Daniel's middle name?
Okay, that's not my middle name, please. Brittany.
What's Daniel's go-to soda drink?
Chubby! Bitch, don't answer because you're already there.
Raise your hand if you know the answer.
Oh, she said chubby. Right. What did you think? No, but this guy, Eddie Kanto.
Lovely.
Egusi and
Please, no, because you told me before.
What's Daniel's favorite food?
Spaghetti.
not you. Shut up your mouth.
Guys, patrolity, bro. Don't take tequila, guys.
What's the name of
If no be.
Raise your hand, raise your hand.
We G-Wagon. No be Benz, Lambo. No be Benz, Lambo. Porsche. Oh, G-Wagon. Yeah! Guys!
What's Daniel's last day? What's her name?
No.
Last day.
Only New York. No, that's not fair. You guys.
No, like she used to post her name.
The way this one turned out to be.
Guy, you rest. I don't.
Last check is Monica. Monica, if you see this video, I love you so much because even though you charged me $120 for my lashes,
I'm gonna give Monica a video.
like it really hurts me because why are your lashes $120? Like, girl, my celebrity crush is. She said it. She got it. Give it to her. Say it again.
Who's that?
Lil TJ.
Who of Daniel's secondary school? What's Daniel's primary school? What primary school did I go to?
Graceland again.
Yeah, it's in Where am I from?
But she claims emo.
Name the two of them. Name the father and mother's village. Name them. Not the village state. Sorry.
Where am I from?
I said Imo now.
I'm from Imo, but they claim Abia.
That's correct,
Brand.
Balenciaga. Versace now.
Gucci. No, Louis Versace. She has Gucci black one. I like that.
It is Alexander Wang.
Just decided that because
But I really like it.
Red color.
That is not my favorite color. My favorite color is black. Oh, I don't know. Oh, Jesus.
Chidima actually.
This doesn't count. Chidima lives with you.
I don't live. She literally lives with me because she has a box.
this one is begging. No, this one literally begged. Bro, give me this.
Just honestly want to thank you guys for coming to Barbados. Like, it's not easy, and honestly, like, there's a lot that I've been through in this past 4 months, and honestly, it's been a time, and I just genuinely want to thank each and every one of you for coming through. It's not easy, but thank you very much for coming. I took 3 shots of Patron, so I literally cannot even see anybody right now. But I like really appreciate you. I don't want to like mess up my makeup because honestly I have to go on the yacht. You get me? Like I can't be crying and like go on the yacht. You understand? But no they shout. Ouch. That hurt. But you know, we're back. So we're gonna go to the next thing on the agenda. Which is
Everybody food now.
oh yes. So you guys should make yourself please eat everything. Clear the plate. Thank you, baby.
Choco bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, I'm
Thank you, mommy.
No problem.
Thank you. Alright, you got me loving. Make her.
I don't know if you're catching this one.
This is what I wanted.
And this babe can ask.
How could he have known? You guys, like, how did you know?
I swear.
How did you know?
I'm gonna announce it.
Wow.
What do you call this?
Wow.
No card.
Oh, there's a card, y'all.
Read the card.
Should I read it out?
Read it out, don't read it out.
So-
Just read it to yourself.
Read it to yourself.
As in, it's for you.
Oh, this is cute. I did not expect this one actually, but thank you so much.
I see a bottle. I see a bottle.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, gift card.
Thank you so much. Send me a gift card. You are so special, beautiful, and amazing.
No tracing.
No traces. Thank you. Blessing got me the Morphe brush. And Ola got me the eyelash perfume. Thank you. And then there's a card in here that says, wishing you a brighter than Sunday and a magical fun day. Hey, my love. Happy birthday, Denia.
Listen, was not part of the script.
Make I read them inside. A second to none day on your birthday and all year long. Thank you. Wow, she got me a really cute bag. This is actually so cute. Oh my god.
That's cute. I won't be that.
This is a candle. I have a candle. Thank you so much. There's a card in here.
Okay.
Wait, I have to open the card. Should I read it out? One and only Chief, I am so grateful for the day I met you, and I am even more grateful that I get to call you my friend. You're a very beautiful person, in and out. I pray God grants you all your deepest heart desires. Wishing you a wonderful year ahead and a very happy birthday. This Barbados trip, relax, enjoy, and have a fabulous day. 100, lots and lots and lots of love, Aliyah.
I'm loaded. Oh, I'm loaded. My baby nobody.
Thank you. Lolly Mari. She got me the AirPods Pro. And there's a card in here too. A friend like you. To my Denia. To know you is to love you. I'm beyond blessed that I met someone like you in my lifetime. You're beyond all I could even imagine. Thank you for being an amazing friend. Thank you for being you. You know I did for you.
You just did not contain the video. I need to cry.
Don't cry, Abego. This is so embarrassing. You know I did for your corner for life, even if you did crazy. I love you so much, babe. Makes everything brighter. Happy birthday. Love, Lolly.
This is on the base. This is hard.
I'm grateful to DB1 for this. And you wrapped it so good, by the way. Like, this is so cute.
Let me grab this thing.
And I see YSL. YSL. enough to celebrate all the unique and wonderful things that you are. But it's a good place to start. Period. Happy birthday, Dania, from that music.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zabu, zabu, ringing by.
Toronto, I love you, Thank you. Oh my god! I didn't know he was getting me a perfume.
This baby's too big.
Wow! Jesus! I didn't know. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Thank you, Fire. Okay. Yeah! It's Prada. That's some crazy shit, man. My name is Anita. I didn't see yellow box though. I didn't see yellow box though. I didn't see yellow box though. Praise the Lord. I didn't see white box though.
If I could, I would love
Crazy
you.
shit.
I don't really care about tomorrow. As long as you do right now, I go there fine. You got me here when I load, oh. Daddy, you can take my soul. All these things where they talk right now, I just love my body and bone. Oh.
Subscribe to my channel, y'all.
I'll
TCAP 23
in my position. Okay, hi guys.
How are you feeling right now?
This is Dania. She's my best babe. I love her so much. And I really can't wait for her. I can't lie. I have to be rich for her. For this babe, like my
Bad energy, stay far away.
Get 22. Get 20.
Go girl, her.
Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Get 22. Get 22. Do what I handle. Fine girls from my bed, and you know oil in my head. 10 girls on my bed, all of them naked, undressed. We know where the ball like this, we know where they spend like this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Give me a C. Give me a C. Give me an A. Give me an F. Give me two. A fucking three. And you know what that is? TCAP 23.
think he's getting the job done. Like, we're about to do it. Check back to me later.
It is Teacup. Teacup 23. Let them know.
Teacup 23.
Teacup 23. If you're not here, where you are.
You don't get money, don't come here. Come here, Joe. Cool up.
Me, I don't fall for this babe. Somehow we are supposed to concentrate, but she don't feel leave my mind. I'ma come make you run away. I'ma come make you run away. She make a bad man say, she bad like that. Can a nigga moving like a man on your job? I'm a me, everybody in your style. I get up on me, make a pull up and slide. Baby, do you wanna hop in my Mercedes? Baby, do you wanna hop in my Mercedes?
But I just want to tell you that Adam, stop! I don't think I'm drunk! Adam, you shouldn't be doing it. Adam! Stop recording because we're drunk! We're drunk. It's Teacup 23. I'm wearing the yacht. I feel like half of my friends. Thank you. Cheers, guys.
How was it?
It was so good. Oh my god. I'm so freaking excited.
Teacup 23. If you're not here, where are you? I don't know where this came from. It was fun. I'm not gonna lie. I want to do it myself, but I feel like I'm gonna fall into the ocean and I can't swim. You guys, so I don't think I'm drunk, but everybody keeps saying I'm drunk. Do you think I'm drunk? I know.
They're moving. We'll be back next year.
Who wanna do the Ace of Spades tonight? Here we go. Show me what you got. Hey, here we go. Show me what you got. Hey, here we go. Show me what you got. Here we go. Show me what you got. What? When I say poverty is a bastard, poverty is a bastard. Two poor men don't help each other. That's why we need to make this money. You know, get money, chama de lico, show you one still lick.
I know holy, and I know them can pose like the Baba Frayo. Ayo, don't cry, yo. And if we go and shadow, and if we go and shadow, and if we go and shadow.
boss, you go know. If you no boss, you go know. Hey, God. Right. You know what time it is, oh? I love my piano shit one time. I'm a neke, I'm a piano. 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 Piano no, piano no, piano no, piano no, piano no, piano no, piano no. Say.
To me, I be work.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Damn.
Okay, you guys, I'm sure you're wondering why I haven't been around since.
Bitch, I promise you nobody was wondering.
You know, guys, people have been asking, Chidima, where are you? Chidima, where are you? But the thing is, I'm back in New York, unfortunately. And you know that New York does something to my mental health, so I kind of have to like take a step back and breathe. So it's just like I have to, you know, I need time for myself. God got my back. Yeah, I'm back. The trip was very nice. We thank God it was a success.